Remove taillights.
Pull the inner cover on the taillights inwards and remove it. Remove the 2 screws underneath. Then pull the taillight backwards out of the side panel. And unplug the taillight.
Screws for the wheel arch liner.
All screws for the wheel arch liner are Torx 25. 3 of them on the side. And 3 below on the right side, and 2 on the left.
Screw to the quarter panel.
Before you can get decent access to this screw, you first have to remove 1 more screw from the wheel arch liner. Now you can push the wheel arch liner away a little. The screw for the side panel is screwed in from top to bottom. Once the screw is removed, pull the bumper sideways out of the guide.
Bottom screws.
The bumper is still attached to the rear panel from below with 3 expanding rivets. Unscrew the inner part of the expansion rivet using a Torx 15 screwdriver and then pry out the outer part.
Remove bumper.
Remove the bumper from the guides under the taillights on both sides. And then remove it. Now unplug the central connector of the parking sensors. And the rear fog light. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.